Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how can use GitHub issues to create tasks in Teamwork automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So GitHub is an online software development program and Teamwork is a project management software application. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new issue in your GitHub account, automatically using the details of the issue, a new task should get created into your Teamwork account. For this, we need to create a connection between both these software applications. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use another software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating GitHub with Teamwork automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process on my screen. Welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as GitHub to Teamwork Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to create task in Teamwork whenever a new issue is created in your GitHub account. So just open this trigger window and here we have to choose the application name as GitHub. Select the trigger event as issues. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with GitHub. Now as I am already logged into my GitHub account, it is asking me authorize Pabbly Connect to use this account. It is asking for the authorization. So let's click on authorize Pabbly. Authorization successful and now the GitHub account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the owner name, so which is Pabbly in my case automatically captured. Now here we have to select the repository. So I'll just take you to my GitHub account. And here I have already created some repositories. So now I want that whenever I create a new issue in this specific Pabbly software repository, then only the trigger should run. So I am going to select the same repository name over here in Pabbly Connect also. That is Pabbly software. And let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to create a new issue in our GitHub account. So let's move to our Pabbly software repository over here. Let's move to the issues section. And here I'm just going to click on new issue. And let us give the title as Razorpay trigger issue. And I'm just going to give the description as Razorpay trigger not capturing the response. Okay, so I've entered the description over here. Now here you can select the assignee to whom you want to assign this task. Here you can select the labels as per your requirement. If you want to specify some project names, you can just give it over here. And let's click on submit new issue. Okay, and here we can see that a new issue has been created named Razorpay trigger issue. So I'll just move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the issue are captured over here. When we scroll down, here we can find the issue title as Razorpay trigger. Okay, and I'll just show you other details also. Okay, and here we can find the description, issue body, and even we can find all other details also, like the assignee login and other details. So now we want that using these details of the issue, automatically a new task should get created into a teamwork account. For that, just come to this action step. Choose the application name as teamwork. Select the action event as create task. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the subdomain. Your teamwork subdomain example Pabbly from your teamwork URL. So we are going to get the subdomain from the teamwork URL. So I'll just take you to my teamwork account, and from the URL I'm just going to copy my subdomain, that is pabbly2.eu. Okay, you have to copy your subdomain and you have to just paste it over here. And let's click on connect with teamwork. Now it has taken me to the login window. You have to just enter your login details over here. Click on login. Login successful. And now the authorization will be successful. Okay. And now the teamwork account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here I have already created some projects in my teamwork account, that is Pabbly Connect and Pabbly subscription billing. So now it is asking me to select the project name from here, in which project I want to create the task. So I am just going to select my Pabbly Connect project, and in this particular project I have created some list. I'll just show it to you. And the list name is to do completed connection issues in Google Sheet. So now I want to create a new task in to do list. For that I have to select the same list name over here, that is to do. Okay. Now it is asking for the content, description and other details. So we have already got all these details from our GitHub trigger response. So we will be mapping these details now. Okay, let's scroll down. Here let us map the content from GitHub, and the content will be your title of the issue. Okay, and here we have to give the description again from GitHub, that is the issue body. Now if you want to mention the start date, you can just specify over here, as well as the due date also. Now who is responsible for this task? So here we need to select the assignee name. So I just want to assign Ashmita. Now do you want to notify them? You can select it as per your requirement. I'm just selecting it as no. Here you can set the priority of the task as low, medium or high. Let us set it as medium. And here you can give the tags. So I have selected the tags as priority. Okay, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new task is created in our teamwork account. Let's check it. Let's scroll down. Okay, and here we can find the task created named Razorpay Trigger. Let's open the task. Here we can find the description as Razorpay Trigger not capturing the response. Okay, and here we can see its priority. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation between GitHub and Teamwork, next time whenever you are going to create a new issue in your GitHub account, automatically a new task will get created into your Teamwork account. So let's check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. So I'll just move to my GitHub account, and here we are going to just create a new issue. Let's give the title as ClickUp Action Issue, and here let us give the description ClickUp Action Create Task is not working properly. Assignee name is Pabbly, and let's click on Submit New Issue. Okay, and here we can see that a new issue is created. Now let us check our Teamwork account. Let's scroll down. Okay, and here we can see a new task created, that is ClickUp Action Issue. Let's open the task, and here we can find the title as ClickUp Action Issue and the description as ClickUp Action Create Task Not Working Properly. And here we can find the priority also. And in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between GitHub and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the issue that you have created in your GitHub specific repository, and using the details of the issue, automatically a new task was created into a Teamwork account. And in this way we have created a successful integration between GitHub and teamwork using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.